OCG, how it works. The manufacturing process of overhead line conductors. In the manufacturing of overhead line conductors, protective anti-corrosion grease is essential to longevity. When applying OCG, first the conductor's core is passed through a wire strander. Then the wires are stranded on top of the core. Next, our market-leading OCG anti-corrosion grease is pumped into the applicator. The grease is applied on top of the conductor as it passes through the application unit. After this, the wire is then stranded on top of the grease conductors. This process will then be repeated several times until the conductors are completely coated. Our OCG range of greases offers excellent protection across many environments, including extreme high temperature climate, wet and humid conditions, intense sub-zero temperatures, and even in dry, dusty atmospheres. This ensures that OCG works effectively globally across all environmental conditions needed. Metalube's OCG range of greases can withstand all climates and environments that overhead line conductors are subjected to, compared to an ungreased conductor exposed to the same conditions which will experience corrosion, leading to asset failure and further maintenance. OCG technology delivers a higher performance product, preserving the integrity and extending the life of your overhead line conductors as a result. To find out more about our OCG range of overhead line conductor greases, visit us and arrange a consultation with our team at www.metalube.co.uk.